Assalamu alaikum dear students. We are discussing the degrees of price elasticity of demand. In the last lecture we have explained relatively elastic and relatively elastic this elasticity of demand. Now our third is this is called unitary elastic demand. And the coefficient of elasticity of demand is denoted as elasticity of demand is equal to 1. So what is unitary elastic demand? Unitary elastic demand means the proportionate change in quantity demand, proportionate change in price leads to proportionate change in क्वांटिटी डिमांड. सो जितनी चेंज प्राइस में होगी अगर उतनी चेंज डिमांड में होगी तो उसको हम बोलते हैं यूनिटरी इलास्टिक डिमांड. दैट मींस इफ फॉर एग्जांपल price changes, if change in price is for suppose 10% and change in quantity demand is again 10%, change in quantity demand is again 10%, so we will say that elasticity of demand is equal to 1. That is unitary elastic demand. So here under this unitary elastic demand, change in price is equal to change in demand. So whatever is the change in price is exactly is the change in demand. Now this can be shown with the help of a diagram again here. For example, if from y-axis we measure price, from x-axis we measure quantity demanded. For example, if OP is price, OQ is quantity demand. If OP is price, OQ is quantity demand. So if we fall the price, if price falls, and exact rise in demand takes place. For example, if price falls from this to this, for example, this is fall in price and it is accompanied by exact जितना इसमें फॉल हो जाएगा उतनी डिमांड राइज हो जाएगी. जब उतनी डिमांड राइज हो जाएगी तो उसको हम कहते हैं यूनिटरी इलास्टिक डिमांड. For example, so if we join these points here, this is demand curve d dash. So here demand curve, if you look at the demand curve, its shape becomes rectangular hyperbola. So when the demand curve becomes rectangular hyperbola, so we can say that elasticity of demand is equal to 1. Rectangular hyperbola here can be explained here like another demand curve, the two rectangles. This is one rectangle first. This is rectangle 1 and this second rectangle. When the area of two rectangles are equal, when the area of two rectangles, this rectangle and this rectangle, when the area of two rectangles are equal, we can say that elasticity of demand is equal to 1. So here demand curve becomes a rectangular hyperbola. So for example, there are the goods where the demand curve is relatively unitary elastic, or for example, comforts, जो हमारे आराम की चीज होते हैं, आराम उनकी जो डिमांड होती है, this is said to be it is unitary elastic. Now हमारा फोर्थ कंसेप्ट जो ये मतलब ज्यादा लोड नहीं हो जाता है, तो फोर्थ कंसेप्ट नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में इंशाल्लाह आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट.